This is a teardown of a long line fiber solutions GLC-LH-SM-LL 1.5 gigabit SFP module, and it's rated for 1310 nanometers and 20 kilometer range. Basically a long range fiber module. Ow. Real genius there. This has a metal housing that wraps around it, so I gotta pry this off because I believe that's one of the latching points, the tab that they basically pushed inwards. So once I bend this apart, fun part about this is these things are really pokey stabby. This also is full of a lip around. So this would have been slid on and then those tabs pushed down to lock it into place. But I don't know of a good way to get those tabs out, so I have to lift this up and unfurl it, unwrap it. I don't know. Gotta be careful too. There's a lot of sharp corners. I don't think I'm allowed to accidentally cut my finger open on video. I don't think YouTube would approve. Apparently blood is too sensitive of this topic. Got the inside now. It's a tiny little screw there holding the board on. Number 0 Phillips to the rescue, hopefully. I'll get a fun jump because my camera ran out of storage at the perfect time. Just unscrewing this here. Then pry these out. I'm doing a lot of teardowns and my phone's running out of space. But anyway, nice little cast aluminum housing there. And here's the controller board. I would assume this is the transmit and this is the receive. Nice chunk of metal around the laser for cooling purposes. A little blob of solder that made its way up the lead. Here's the back side. Dang it, focus. It's hard to get that stuff readable. Can't tell what that chip says. It's so small. Try 3x. Well, hopefully that satisfies people's curiosity. Here's the top side and the chip. Not very cooperative. But I can't tell what it says. Interesting enough though, I suppose. It's fun seeing inside of these SFP modules. Hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.